Guys, welcome back to another protein snack review. Hopefully having a good Tuesday. Today we got another one from Bulk Nutrients. This is again their protein pancake mixtures. This one's vanilla. Got a little fresh one right here in front of me, nice and hot, which is nice and good. So going over the stats here, just double check. You're looking at 378 calories, so pretty good. You got 40 protein, 3.6 grams of fat and 40 carbohydrates with 3.3 fiber. So basically what we've been doing is we've been halving them and just having sort of 2 pancakes in the morning each, and then just adding maybe like a serve of ice cream or something like that. And the stats work out pretty good. You keep like basically your 20 something protein, you're looking at maybe like sort of 30 grams of carbohydrates, maybe a little bit more. And yeah, it tastes pretty good, wettens it up a little bit, so it goes down a lot easier. And yeah, they're nice and warm in the morning, which is great for this cold weather. So again, the thing I like about this protein pancake mixture the most is they keep the protein really, really high. Carbs pretty high again, but they're fine. Normally carbs you can fit in the easiest, and the fat really, really, really low. So just mix this with a little bit of water, makes about 4 up, and they're normally like 10 centimeters each. So I don't know if you can sort of see that size. Like maybe on, no, they're pretty normal pancake size. Maybe on the slightly smaller size, but they're pretty good. Again, I'm not going to put any toppings on this. I just want to taste it as is. And weirdly, the cinnamon one was really nice. So with these, because they got the 40 carbohydrates in them, they're already pretty sweet as is. So I feel like with a normal pancake, at least the pancakes that I normally make at home, they won't have any extra sugar in them. I'll just use like sort of milk, flour, egg, put it all together. I won't add sugar, so I guess the difference with these compared to maybe like a normal pancake is these are really sweet, so that's always nice, and that's why they're pretty easy to eat like this. Vanilla's nice, but it's like a, I don't know, to me it tastes like a weird sort of artificially kind of vanilla. Not artificial as in bad, but when I think vanilla, I put like sort of, whenever I get vanilla, I want vanilla bean as being like the top sort of vanilla flavor. I don't know, I feel like this vanilla is kind of vague and flat, I guess. It kind of just tastes like a sweet pancake. That's what it tastes like. Not really much vanilla coming through. So I still love the stats on it, but flavor wise I don't really like it that much. For vanilla today, guys, 5.5. Probably the plus thing with the vanilla, but is if you want to add toppings or fruit or something like that, it's probably the best because, you know, it's the plainest, I guess. So the toppings and stuff, you won't have to have these sort of weird flavors coming together, I guess. So that's one positive. If you do enjoy these videos, make sure you like them. If you have any suggestions for other protein snacks that you want us to see us do, make sure you comment them in the comments below, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again tomorrow.